how to get transcripts of a YouTube video. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our YouTube website right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you're logged in into your account, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, look for the video that we want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this video right here. Now, once you're now in this video, the next thing that we need to do is to just click the three dots right here. And once you click that, you should be able to see a transcript right there. However, if you don't see any transcript right there, then the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on the description box and then just click the more button and then just scroll down all the way down right here until you see this show transcript. So just click show transcript right there. And then once you click that, you will now be able to see the transcript of the video. And then what we're going to do next is to just click the three dots right here and click toggle timestamps so that the timestamps will be hidden. And then we can now, of course, copy this right here. So I'm just going to choose this one and copy this, of course. And then after that, you can, of course, paste it into wherever you want. So that is basically it. That is how to get the transcript of a YouTube video.